Kazakhstan tausızdık kunu kutlu bolsun. Almatı dağı akış konsuldarından sizdirge den sağlık orkuncu janye jarkın boluşak tilemen. Z Dniom Nezawisimosti Kazakhstan od Generalnego Konsulstwa США в Алматы я желаю народу Казахстана здоровья, процветания и светлого будущего. Happy Independence Day, Kazakhstan. In 1991, the United States was the first country to recognize Kazakhstan's independence. On this day, we celebrate decades of U.S.-Kazakhstani relations, and we look forward to celebrating Kazakhstan's 30 years of independence, integrity, and sovereignty with our Kazakhstani friends and partners throughout the year to come. On behalf of the U.S. Consulate in Almaty, I wish the people of Kazakhstan health, prosperity, and a bright future.